Hey, what's up guys? So we have seen the Sony Xperia XZ2, which is a great phone, the successor of Xperia XZ. So now it's time for the upcoming Xperia XZ3. So what we can expect from the XZ3? We have seen the camera of XZ2, which is okay, I will say. The 960 fps is not a big deal here, I will say. They should improve the main camera just like what Huawei and Asus are doing. Now talking about the display, the XZ2's display is great, but we need the OLED screen, right? Yeah, they should give it in the upcoming devices. So if they improve these things, they can give a tough competition. So hope for the best and let's see what Sony can do in the upcoming devices. Anyways, me Pavitra signing off. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.